In the event of a second wave or surge, Sergeant Fernando Esteves with the State Surgeon Cell says part of the way forward is to 1. Ensure Guam meets current medical capacity, while 2. Increasing the medical capacity, and 3. Having a plan of action to execute and expand this medical capacity.
In order to do that, we factor in multiple aspects: personnel, equipment, and supplies. Guam has actually done a very good job with regard to its PPE maintenance. Moving forward, we're as part of this process to maintain and increase capacity, we're going to be having an organic stockpile here on the island, similar to what the national stockpile has with regard to PPE and other equipment.
According to Sergeant Esteves, the CDC Guidelines for conserving personal protective equipment recommends an extended use policy to prevent a scarcity, and by following this, Guam has kept from having a dire shortage. There is, however, a shortage of non-medical face masks at the Guam Memorial Hospital.
There are contingency plans in place, and our ordering is ongoing, and we do expect supplies to be coming in because they've been allocated by the different distributors and manufacturers.
Esteves was unable to provide information on the cost of medical materials purchased by Gov Guam to date, as he says he does not have eyes on the individual clinics and agencies such as Public Health, GMH, and GRMC's procurement orders, but he does have eyes on what's currently in stock and supply arrivals.
In terms of PPE that's been ordered, I can't give a general estimate at this time. We've placed orders and at least started the process for around 75,095 masks that were vetted from different manufacturers and different supply companies from off island, as well as gowns have been a particular issue. Currently still vetting more sources for ventilators because those are still a hot item.
In overseeing the development of the organic stockpile, Esteves says they will be using a mathematical formula for supply economy.
Particularly the EOQ formula, with making adjustments to that formula to account for variability in the lead time. And so we're going to be taking this approach to determine what that stockpile will be, both reasonable in supply to account for manufacturing issues, as well as making sure that it's economic for the government of Guam.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Adriana Cotero.